ATC on top, according to Sicily. Got a drops on drops, according to Sicily. If I like that shirt, subscribe, do that for Sicily. Till the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top, according to Sicily. Got a drops on drops, according to Sicily.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my Halloween 2022 clean and decorate with me. Today we are decorating the office. If you need to see a tour, I'll make sure I have that in the description box. Right here, I'm just adding an anchor in the wall because we got a new lighting because there was no overhead lighting. You guys, I apologize now if my voiceover is like kind of confusing. I literally am in the hospital now. I was in a car accident. Somebody hit me on the highway this morning last night around 10 p.m. So, my brain is a little foggy right now, but I wanted to still try my best to get this video out. For those of you that are new, hi, my name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mom by way of sickle cell anemia to 2 young boys. And I felt it was important to show content of, the disabled community to try to erase some of the stigmas that come with having sickle cell anemia and being disabled in general. So if you enjoy vlogs, home decor, hauls, and recipes, I would love for you to become a part of the family. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know anytime we post a new upload. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm doing is clearing off my vanity so that I can give it a nice wipe down. In the previous clip, y'all saw me hanging the light fixture. If anybody has any questions about this type of chandelier, you can go ahead and just leave me a message. I'll be glad to explain the process. And I took plenty of footage so I can also upload a video for you guys if you don't have overhead lighting, easy solutions to fix that. Again, guys, I just want to say I appreciate each and every single one of you. My channel has been growing over the last month, and I'm just happy and grateful for every single subscriber because I know that those are not just numbers. They represent you all. They represent people, and I'm just glad that I could be a part of your lives. So did y'all see that little cute cup I put down? Don't worry, I'll do a close-up later. It was a 2-piece set from, I want to say, Home Goods, and I'll be sure to add the haul for everything we're using in today's videos in case you want to get your hands on some of this stuff. So I'm finished with cleaning off the computer desk and the vanity. Right now, I just sprayed some Microban to clean off the 2 chairs, and I'm going to get the floor cleaned up. I cut my son's hair recently when I did a 6-minute makeup challenge, so I just want to get all of this excess makeup and hair off my floor before I can move along with the next thing. I feel like my favorite part of cleaning is seeing the satisfying vacuum lines. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite part of cleaning. All right, y'all, we're almost done cleaning. But before we get into the decorating, let's do our subscriber shout out. If you want to have your comment read, all you have to do is be a part of the fam and leave your comment. It's that easy. So today's subscriber shout out comes from Doria G. They wrote, "Wow, this is good. Mom teaching her kids to cook." Thank you so much for writing that. I definitely always believe that I want to teach my kids how to be prepared for life, for when the time comes when mom is no longer here. So thank you again for that, and I hope you continue to enjoy my channel. All right, y'all, nail cam time. Let's get to decorating. So if you know me, you know I love to go over the top for decorating for the holidays, especially Halloween. I gotta add my spiders, you guys. If you want to use this spider webbing, the key to making it look more realistic, just make sure you stretch it and turn it in different ways, the same way an actual spider web would be out in nature. I wanted to make some more artwork to go up on the wall above my set. If you guys want to see the tutorial on how I did this artwork, just drop me a comment and I'll be sure to go ahead and post that. If you are still here thus far, I love you and I appreciate your support. Please give this video a huge thumbs up as it helps to circulate my channel. And if you're still here, drop this comment in the emojis. All right, y'all, it's reveal time. Okay, guys, so the supervisor came in and reminded me I did not do my cookie jar for you guys. So I'm just going to show you the 3 types of cookies that I use. They are Oreos. Again, if you want to see a quick video on how I put them in the jar, go ahead and drop me a comment down below and I'll let you know. So these are the 3 flavors: pumpkin spice, the brookie dough, and then the boo cookies. And here is my bottom shelf. I hope you guys enjoy.
Hit that like, that, share, subscribe, do that for Sicily. On that core, vlogs and more. Yeah, yeah. On that core, vlogs and more. Yeah, yeah. On that core, vlogs and more. Yeah, yeah. On that core, vlogs and more. Yeah, yeah.
According to Sicily.